ready?
Yep, I'm not going to touch anything. I'm just going to let you close it and see what happens. It's going to hit. You see where it's hitting up top?
Yeah, I got to get up on the ladder. It didn't used to be that tough. You could do, one guy could do it without a ladder, but something's changed.
Yeah. Does it matter if you do it from the middle?
What?
Does it matter if you put it up from the middle? You know, if you push from the middle rather than pushing it from one side?
I don't know.
But I guess we'll find out.
This has to get in here. And then over.
Okay, that has good clearance there.
Let's see what happens now. This is the test. How's it going?
No, stop. It's about to come off.
It is?
Yeah, hang on. Okay, go back.
It was going to come off?
It's above the bracket, but just close it. We'll see what happens, and then you can try to close it back, and we'll see.
Pull it back down? See what...
No, close it up, and then we'll come back down.
Okay, hang on. I got to get a pole to push it up.
Okay.
It's always been that way. The problem is, it's the damn high ceiling. Ready?
Yep.
How's that?
Okay. No, it looks...
Pop off?
No, the spring's still in tension, but now when you bring it back down, we'll see how it aligns. So I'm not going to touch anything, and you can just bring it back down, and we'll see if it lines up properly.
Okay.
I'm not touching anything.
How's that?
Let it come all the way.
What?
Keep going down. Keep going down.
Okay.
Down. Keep going. Okay, so that's... Keep going.
I have to bring the...
Okay, so leave it like that. So that time, it worked, but it was dropping almost on top of this piece right here. Almost on top. So I think eventually, right now it's going to work, but I think eventually, if it keeps getting jacked around, that it's going to... Eventually, the spring will migrate this way.
Hey, can I bend that thing a little more? Or would it hit the outside?
I think
I could bend it easily enough.
I think you could bend it a little bit more, but ultimately what we want... I'm going to step on the ladder.
Yeah.
Ultimately what we want to do is move this more that way.
Yeah, but you can't do that without bending it.
Right, we'll bend it then.
That's what I'm talking about.
Yeah.
If I bend it just that sharp angle there...
I would say bend it from right here where my finger is.
Okay, I get
See what I mean? Bend it here,
yeah.
and then it brings that way, that way.
I think it'd be easier to bend when it's down in the spring. Now we'll pull it straight, you know.
Right. I would bend it right where my finger is, right there.
Okay, let me see if I
From
can
the
get
middle. You follow me?
Yeah. But it may not be very easy, but I think we can do it.
Yeah. That's just leverage, right? I mean, we should be able to.